If you want to know how to add video in ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So basically, we have some options. We can easily use stock media, for example, from stocks. They're totally copyright free and we can use them without any copyright issues. In order to do it, we just simply need to click on stock video in the left side menu. And after that, we can try to search for videos. We can try to search them in the search bar. For example, we can try to input like nature, for example, and here we can find a lot of nature landscapes and so on. But as you can see, a lot of videos on stocks are only for paid version, so we need to upgrade to use it. And in order to interact with free media, we can easily import it from our computer. So we can click on your media in the left side menu in the top of the screen, then just click on import media, and here we can find a lot of stuff we can easily import. For example, I'd like to use 2 of these videos, and after that it will be added to our media folder right up here. And in order to add them to our project, we just simply need to drag and drop them on our timeline. So as you can see, there are a lot of different lines inside of the project, so we can try to make it higher, for example like this, to make 2 videos in 1 frame, and after that we can easily interact with them. So these are the ways of how can we interact with videos. We can do the same with the stock media. For example, if you have like this icon here, for example, I like to add it to my media, and then we can easily go to media and then just drag and drop it on our timeline. So after that it will be available to use. So this is a way of how can we add video in ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.